Today we're going to be making Fantasy Fudge. I'm going to be putting mine in a round pan, and I've just got...
Huh?
Huh?
I said you could do that for slime contest. Ooh, it's about to stop.
I'm going to be making Fantasy Fudge today. I've got a round pan, and I'm just going to line it with a parchment paper here. And then we're going to start out. All you're going to need is 12 ounces of one can of sweetened condensed milk. You're going to need a can of sweetened condensed milk, 12 ounces of semi-sweet morsels, a container of jet puffed cream, some vanilla. I'm using vanilla bean paste, and a few black walnuts I'm going to put in mine. First thing we're going to do is open our sweetened condensed milk and add it to our pan. You just want to put this on low to let the sweetened condensed milk and the chocolate melt together. Okay, and put our sweetened condensed milk in here. And I've never made Fantasy Fudge before. Let me know in the comments if you all have. I think my daddy will enjoy it with the black walnuts in it. I know my mom would if she was still alive, because she loved black walnuts. Then we're going to pour in our bag of semi-sweet morsels. And we are just going to let that be on low to medium until it all melts. You don't want to cook it, you just want to melt those chocolate chips into that sweetened condensed milk. And you want to keep it moving. You don't want to burn your chocolate or burn your sweetened condensed milk either. We're just going to keep moving it around till it's all completely melted and combined thoroughly. Okay, I'm making a video of making fudge, okay? Just a minute. And this honestly does not take very long at all. I do have my grandbaby here. She's here after preschool. So if you hear anything in the background, that's probably what you hear. So it's almost there, it seems to be. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. Everything's just about completely combined. And I'm going to move it off the heat, and I'm going to put in a container of marshmallow fluff. Put in the complete container. Oops, my spatula come off. Well, probably gonna have to get a more sturdy spoon to stir this with anyway, because it's sort of a little bit thick with that marshmallow cream. Let me get a wooden spoon, I think. Here we go. And I'm just gonna stir this marshmallow cream in with it. Stir, 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 stir. And I'm gonna stir in I'm gonna drop in a little bit of vanilla paste. Way too much, but it is what it is, so we're going with it. Stir, stir, stir. Oh goodness, it's thick. And now we're gonna go on with our black walnuts. Not a ton, maybe, honestly do what you want, but probably maybe just a quarter of a probably just a quarter of a cup. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna pour it in. Move over here because that is heavy. And I've got frozen shoulder and I can't hardly get my arm to work. Let me get all this out. There's still a lot in it. And it gets thick quick. I think it sets up really quick. So I'm just gonna smooth this out on my parchment paper. As I can. And I didn't put a lot of black walnuts in it, like I said, just some. It tastes good. All right. This is what it looks like after it's in the pan. I may set it outside to let it get cold and set faster. My screen room is perfect for letting your candy set. It tastes good. I'm trying to bite in the spoon. It tastes delicious. Aubrey, you want to taste this candy? Come here. It's fudge. Do you like fudge?
Fudge.
Here. I'm going to do a taste test. It's chocolate with marshmallow in it. Try a bite. What's it taste like? Is it good? You like it? You want some more? Hope you enjoyed the video. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that like button and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos.